Hello friends, myself Dr. Kirti Shriram Kulkarni and I am from Gokhale Education Society's Arts, Commerce and Science College Jawar. So friends, I welcome you all for the FYBSc Foundation course semester 1 paper. Okay. So friends, I welcome you and I congratulate to all of you that you have qualified the 12th exam with very nice marks and now you have taken admission in our Jawahar College. So I hope you will like the atmosphere of our college when the college will reopen. So because of the pandemic situation, we are taking the support of online syllabus coverage. So what we are doing? We are delivering the online lectures and you have to watch them and then you have to study at home, and when the college will reopen then we will start with our actual chalk and board method, that is our classroom method. Okay. So friends, you will have a doubt in your mind that why foundation course syllabus is included in our syllabus. Okay. So you are now science students and then you will have all science related courses, right? You are learning physics, chemistry, okay, zoology, mathematics, botany, these all subjects. Then you will have question that why we have to learn foundation course, right? So the basic importance is that the foundation course is a program that will prepare you for an undergraduate degree at university. Okay. So this syllabus is framed by University of Mumbai and therefore we have to learn that. Okay. So studying a foundation course will also help you to attain the correct level of your qualification, but it is not the only reason that you have to learn this. Okay. Very important thing is that it will help you to require the additional English language support. Okay. So beside your all science subjects, it is a basic English language subject which will improve your English literature. But this is not again only requirement. What is the requirement? That when you take any degree, whether it is of arts, commerce or science, it is very important that we should have idea about our society. Okay. Not only our society, but again the people in surrounding, okay, the nature surrounding us, the plants, animals, okay, what is their present situation, what is our present situation, that is situation of human being. So that is very important to study. Okay. If you have idea about that, then after your graduation you will be able to survive in outer side atmosphere. Okay. So now you are in a small beautiful world, that is your college world. There you just come, you study and you pass your exams, but after your graduation you will actually get inverse with your outer environment, which is the actual world. Okay. And we should have proper idea about that, how the world is. Okay. So we should have idea about the surrounding, our environment, nature, then surrounding means your plant, animals, and actually the human being around us. So what is our culture? Okay. What is our social status? What is our environment? What is the level of pollution? Then what are the different rights that are given to us? Okay. Along with the rights we have some duties also that we have to perform. Okay. So all these things you have to learn in this course. Okay. So very important topics are included in your foundation course, and very important thing I feel that those who actually don't like science subjects, okay, don't take it very seriously. You have taken admission for science, so obviously we like science, but what I feel that if you have some liking about arts, okay, then you have this particular topic, so you will have definitely interest about this, and learning this will give you improvement in your skills. Okay. Your talking skill, your speaking skill, also how to roam in your surrounding, you, it will create confidence in you. Okay. So very important part is the overall development of your skill, that is very important. So, therefore, foundation course is very important for your personality development. Okay. So, not only arts, commerce, science subjects, but all the faculties are getting this subject, and because of that you will have the idea about your surrounding, and it will help you to develop your personality. Okay. So, this is the basic introduction about your foundation course. I hope you will understand this teaching method, that is online teaching method. You watch the videos. Okay. If you like, then you can hit the like button. Okay. And then if you have any query, you can ask me in the comment section. Also you can ask in our personal WhatsApp group. Okay. So, now we will discuss about the overall syllabus that is framed in FYBSc foundation course. Okay. So, see, this is the syllabus framed by Mumbai University, and first we will discuss about the semester 1 syllabus. Okay. So, first half, that is for first 6 months, it is your semester 1, and after that 6 months is your semester 2, that is actual pattern. But nowadays, because of the pandemic situation, we have started your lecture little bit late. So, in the first semester you have to learn about 6 units. Okay. So, the first unit is about overview of Indian society. So, as I said that this overall course is about your social environment, political environment. Okay. So, the first topic or first unit is about overview of Indian society. So, here you have to learn about the multicultural diversity of Indian society. Okay. So, what is our Indian society? It is a diverse, okay, and it has many cultures in that. So, you have to learn it through the demographic composition, population distribution, then our religions, caste, gender, etc. Then multi-language society, and finally you have to understand the concept of diversity, but there is always unity in our diversity. So, that we learn from our childhood that though India is very different in every part, but there is always unity in our diversity. Okay. So, then the second unit is about concept of disparity. Okay. So, that you have to learn through the stratification and inequality. Then in that you have to learn the reference of female foeticide, then declining sex ratio. Okay. Then what is the role of woman in the society, that you have to learn, and finally you have to learn about the people who have some physical disabilities. Okay. So, it can be a mental or physical, both kind of disability, that you have to learn in your second unit. The third unit is about concept of disparity 2. So, it is 1 and 2 like that. So, here you have to study the caste system, intergroup conflicts arising because of different social issues, okay, communalism. Then you have to learn about the regionalism and linguistic differences. Okay. So, these all topics are about the difference that we are having in our society. Then the fourth unit will be of Indian constitution, very important part. If you have knowledge of our constitution, then nobody can cheat you outside world. Okay. So, what is our constitution? Its philosophy, then its parts, preamble, actual structure, main body, then schedule, etc. are given in this chapter. Then fundamental duties of Indian citizen. As I said, we are given some rights because of the Indian constitution, but along with that we have to also perform some duties. Okay. So, that duties are there in this chapter. What are our fundamental duties? Then tolerance. Okay. टॉलरन्स ये वर्ड आपने सुना होगा, ज्याला आपण मराठीत सहिष्णुता असं म्हणतो. ओके. देन पीस म्हणजे शांती, कम्युनल हार्मनी, etc. we have to learn in this chapter. Okay. Then the fifth unit is about significant aspects of political process. So, as the constitution comes, there the important part comes which is about the political process. Okay. So, our system is depending totally upon the political process. Okay. Our democracy depends on that, and therefore we have to learn about this. So, the party system, we all know that political system depends upon parties. Then it can be a local self government in urban or rural areas. Then 73rd and 74th amendments, their implications and their effects. Okay. Then the role and significance of women in politics, very important part in this chapter. And finally, in the 6th unit you have to learn about the growing social problems in India. Okay. So, though our India is very beautiful, we love India, but still nowadays we are facing some social problems, and if you study them, then we can overcome them and we can make our country more beautiful, more peaceful, more safe, right. So, what are those social problems? It is the impact of youth and the challenges for the future. Okay. Youth is the very important part of the society, and what type of challenges they are facing, that you have to learn in this chapter. Then very important issue about HIV AIDS. We will learn the awareness, prevention and treatment about this. Then problem of elderly people. Okay. Aged people, they are facing problem nowadays, that we will learn. Then issue of child labor, very important and very serious issue in our India, child labor, that we will discuss. Then child abuse. Okay. Child labor is also there, but along with that child abuse is there. Okay. That also we will learn. And very important and serious topic, that is trafficking of women. Okay. So, that also we will discuss in this chapter. Okay. So, this is all 6 units about your semester 1. Then here are the semester 2 syllabus. Okay. So, here the first unit will be globalization and Indian society. Okay. You know the word globalization. Okay. Jagatikikaran. Huh? So, what is that globalization? What is their impact? How it is grown in India, and how India is facing problems because of globalization, that we will discuss in this chapter. Then the unit 2 will be of human rights. Okay. So, human right is again very important part, not only in India but in overall world. So, here you have to learn about the origin and evolution of the concept of human rights, then universal declaration, then the different rights we are given, and the special reference to the fundamental rights stated in the constitution. These all things you have to learn in human rights. Okay. Human rights म्हणजे मानवाधिकार, आपल्याला एक मानव म्हणून काय अधिकार मिळालेले आहेत ते आपल्याला या चॅप्टर मध्ये डिस्कस करायचं आहे. ओके. देन इन द थर्ड युनिट यू हॅव टू लर्न अबाउट इकॉलॉजी. ॲज आय सेड, द फाउंडेशन कोर्स विल touch to all aspects surrounding us. So, we have now, up till now we have discussed about the political issues. Now, we will discuss about our ecology. So, here you have to discuss about the ecosystem, environmental degradation and sustainable development about environment. Okay. पहिल्यांदी आपल्याला इकोसिस्टम म्हणजे काय ते माहीत करून घ्यायचं आहे. मग त्याच्यामध्ये एन्व्हायरमेंटल डिग्रेडेशन, पोल्युशन कशा प्रकारे पसरलेलं आहे, दॅट वी विल डिस्कस. अँड फायनली वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट सस्टेनेबल डेव्हलपमेंट. ओके. सो दीज आर द 3 units. Then your unit 4 will be about understanding stress and conflicts. See, you have learned about the other things, but how to overcome the stress and conflict which is arising in our mind. Nowadays we are very stressful because of different reasons. Simply we can say that a child, okay, small children are also nowadays under stress. So, how to overcome this stress? Okay. So, first you should know what are the causes of stress and from where they are arising. Stress and conflicts कहाँ से आ रहे हैं, कुठून उत्पन्न होतात ते आपल्याला बघायचं आहे. देन व्हॉट आर द डिफरंट एजंट्स ऑफ सोशलायझेशन, हे निर्माण करणारे घटक कोणते आहेत ते आपल्याला फाइंड आउट करायचं आहे. त्याच्यानंतर देन वी कॅन सी द सिग्निफिकन्स व्हॅल्यू, इथिक्स, देन प्रिज्युडाइजेस डेव्हलपिंग द स्ट्रेस, stereotyping, etc. And finally, the aggression and violence as the public expression of conflicts. जेव्हा कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स, वाद, संघर्ष निर्माण होतात तेव्हा कशा प्रकारे लोकांचा उद्रेक होतो ते आपण या चॅप्टरमध्ये बघणार आहोत. देन द चॅप्टर 5th विल बी ऑफ मॅनेजिंग स्ट्रेस अँड कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स इन कंटेम्पररी सोसायटी. सो फर्स्ट we will find out what are the origins and then we will learn how to manage the stress. Okay, so now we have learned की ते कुठून आलेत. तर आता ह्या चॅप्टरमध्ये आपण बघणार आहोत की what are the types, त्यांच्या प्रकार काय आहेत ते आपण बघणार आहे. देन मॉस्लोज थिअरी ऑफ सेल्फ ॲक्च्युलायझेशन, आपण कोण आहोत, कशासाठी या जगामध्ये आलो आहोत किंवा आपण कसे आहोत हे पहिले समजून घेणं गरजेचं आहे. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू दॅट वी कॅन मॅनेज अवर स्ट्रेस. ओके, देन डिफरंट मेथड्स ऑफ रिस्पॉन्डिंग द कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स, आपण एखाद्या संघर्षाला किंवा वादाला कशा प्रकारे फेस करतो किंवा कशा प्रकारे रिस्पॉन्ड करतो ते पण महत्त्वाचं आहे. अँड फायनली कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स रिझोल्यूशन अँड इफर्ट्स टुवर्ड बिल्डिंग पीस अँड हार्मनी. ओके, in the society peace and harmony is very important, so how to maintain that we will learn in this chapter. Then in unit 6 it is contemporary social challenges. Okay, so what are different social challenges? That is urbanization, problem of housing, health and sanitization, that are the regular problem that we are facing in our society. Then changing lifestyles and their impact on our culture. Because of the westernization what we are facing, that our lifestyle is changed. Okay, in ancient India our lifestyle was different and nowadays it is different. So therefore there are some positive and some negative impact on our culture that we will learn. Then farmer suicide, very important problem, and agrarian डिस्ट्रेस, म्हणजे शेतीमध्ये निर्माण झालेली संकट आणि त्याच्यामुळे शेतकऱ्यांची आत्महत्या, दॅट वी विल ऑल्सो लर्न. देन डिबेट रिगार्डिंग जेनेटिकली मॉडिफाईड क्रॉप्स. ओके, जेनेटिकली मॉडिफाईड क्रॉप्स म्हणजे ज्यांच्या जनुकांमध्ये फरक केलेला आहे, बदल केलेला आहे, अशी पिकं आपल्यासाठी खरंच चांगली आहेत की नाही त्याच्यावर आता सध्या वाद निर्माण झालेला आहे, तो आपण बघणार आहोत. डेव्हलपमेंट प्रोजेक्ट अँड ह्युमन राईट्स व्हायोलेशन. ओके, ह्युमन राईट्सचं व्हायोलेशन झालं, मानवाधिकारांचं जर उल्लंघन झालं तर काय करायचं आहे ते आपण बघणार आहोत. अँड फायनली इन्क्रीजिंग क्राईम्स अँड सुसाईड अमंग यूथ. ओके, आजकाल काय झालेलं आहे, आपल्याला आता फेमस केस होऊन गेलेली आहे. ओके, तर यूथमध्ये काय झालेलं आहे, सुसाईड करण्याचं प्रमाण वाढलेलं आहे, स्ट्रेसफुल लाईफस्टाईल झालेली आहे. सो we will find out their reasons and then we will find out the solution on this particular problem. Okay, so I think this is the overall syllabus that is given to you because of or by the Mumbai University. So it is very interesting syllabus. I hope you will like to learn all these topics and we will also solve your queries whatever it will be there. So we will start with our first chapter, that is overview of Indian society, in our next lecture. So I request you to watch all the videos and try to understand this particular method of video lecturing, online lectures, and keep interacting with us. Okay, so that we will have proper interaction with each other and we can solve your doubts, etc. Okay, so till that, take care, stay at home, stay safe and keep learning. Okay, thank you.